In this video, I'm going to talk about a political meme project, which is something I don't discuss, but this is concentrated on the United States of America. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. Before I continue, I must let you know I am not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest any money and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, the project is uh, the Kamala Harris token. So this is on the Ethereum chain, the Ethereum network. So on this website, it just basically gives background of the current Vice President of the USA, Kamala Harris, and it says Kamala Harris is now the official Democratic candidate for the 2024 presidential election. With her extensive experience and dedication to public service, she has the potential to become the next president of the United States of America. I will be covering Donald Trump in my next video as well. I'm from the United Kingdom. I don't have a vote. I don't have a say on this. It's just up to you. And this is not like endorsed by Kamala Harris and the Donald Trump. Who I believe doesn't endorse any crypto token either. And I think what is interesting is that crypto as a theme in itself has become more important for these candidates, these presidential nominees, to discuss crypto and could potentially have uh, impact on the crypto space as a whole in terms of regulation, deregulation. But I don't really want to go into that. I'll keep this really short. So the contract address is here. I will link this in the description below. So it says how to how to buy Harris, and again, this is on the Ethereum network. So I believe there is like a Ethereum based crypto for Donald Trump as well. If you want to get that, it would be the same process to buy. I think it was the MAGA one is on the Ethereum chain. So you'd need like a decentralized crypto wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another wallet. So you would need to buy Ethereum, and then you would need to send it to your crypto wallet like MetaMask on the Ethereum mainnet on the Ethereum network, which will have some kind of fee to send that money across. Once it's in your decentralized wallet, you can swap the Ethereum for the Harris token. So it says here connect to Uniswap. So I haven't in this video I haven't like connected it here. But what you would do is you would connect your wallet, and it will tell you how much Ethereum you have in your wallet. Always leave like a little bit for the gas fees. And then you would just swap it for Harris. So what you would do is you would just put the token address in here, and it will come up with the token, and then you'll be able to buy it, you'll be able to swap it for the Harris token. I'll just bring up the chart now. It's a shame that I didn't buy this a long time ago, because it's gone up quite a lot. So even like on the 2nd of July, let's just say for example, 125k. Could even be it went all the way up to like 18 million. So yeah, if you do if you do the maths there, it's like over 100x. Um, so I don't know how high this will go. I just think it could be something that if you like to buy and hold for a while, like a month or 2 months, 3 months, something like not too long to wait, not too short. Um, so yeah, and there's available. Sorry, there's socials like the X as well. So there's some artwork here. Yeah, so I'll just leave it there. Um, I will cover the Donald Trump token, but that's going to be on another chain. Yeah, so please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Cheers.